లేటెస్ట్ న్యూస్ అప్డేట్స్ కోసం ఇప్పుడే డౌన్లోడ్ చేసుకోండి మీడియా ఎఫెక్ట్స్ యాప్.
This is our beautiful Rukhsar, Krishna's Rukhsar. How do you feel ee roju stage meda pre-release?
I feel like the whole film and our team has come a whole circle. I think it just completes it. So many emotions attached. But always had faith in the team. Always believed, in their, like you said, their potential, their passion, like Sir said. And so happy because we were all very raw when we met each other. Of course, everyone has gone on to do many movies after. So it's refreshing to recollect what was captured in the past.
So would you want to see yourself on the screen?
Yeah, okay.
Are you ready for your teaser?
Okay.
Okay. So say Rukhsar's teaser, please.
Teaser, please.
Yay! That's Rukhsar. The bold one, the one who has the clarity. Mottam cinema lo naaku telusu Rukhsar okkadanike clarity untadi kada.
I have to say this, the word you use right now, bold, has most likely been seen only in a certain way. But I'm really glad that in the writing with Sidhu and Ravi both, they've kind of gotten a deeper meaning, to what bold is. It's not necessarily only visual. It's strength, it's courage, it's being open-minded, being giving, accepting. So I guess the wisdom that she carries connected with me a lot. It's like that. So very good. Beyond all of this, I think I have to thank Rana for seeing me in this character. She's clearly one of the most memorable characters that I've ever played, Rana, and probably the closest to who I am even as a person. I don't think there will ever be another character like this. This is truly special, and thank you for bringing it to the cinemas. He's so kind, and he's always been that for all of us. He's been this umbrella who's pushing and supporting regardless of his personal medical trips that happened, but he was always around, and very thankful and grateful.
Rukhsar ki koncham Telugu kuda vachu, ippudu Telugulo maatladutundi.
Chappu.
Vachu kada Telugu.
Naku novu chala ishtam.
Are so February 14th ki em vastundi?
Please watch.
Telugulo cheppalannamata. అది చాలా కాంప్లికేటెడ్ కదా, ఆ పేరు రాకుండా ఉండడం. ఇట్స్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్. ఇట్స్ కాంప్లికేటెడ్, వెరీ కాంప్లికేటెడ్. ఎప్పుడు వస్తుంది?
Valentine's special only for you. Thank you sir for bringing us all together, and we really learned a lot about ourselves and about the world around through this experience. Thank you for everything.
థ్యాంక్ యూ మై డియర్ రుఖ్సార్. ఐఎమ్ డెఫినెట్లీ ష్యూర్ స్టేజ్ మీద ఈరోజు మాట్లాడిన ఈ సీరత్ని కాదు, మీరు రుఖ్సార్ని ప్రేమించేస్తారు. రుఖ్సార్లా ఉండాలని అమ్మాయిలందరూ కోరుకోవాలి. రుఖ్సార్ లాంటి అమ్మాయి కావాలని అబ్బాయిలందరూ కోరుకుంటారు సిద్ధు, ఫర్ ష్యూర్.
Thank you.